Best kept secrets in town. Only 14 physicians in Arizona are using it. As Saber Gertz tells us, patients of all ages with all kinds of pain are using it to get back in the game.
This is in my blood. I got to do it.
All-time best round, 66.
Dialed in. That was a good one, too.
There we go. 15 years waiting, getting his game in gear for the Champions Golf Tournament.
I had just turned the age to be able to do it, and so...
Steve Canning's hopes were high that he might qualify in California. He would come this close.
My knee was shattered in 5 pieces.
A scar reminds him of the car accident that kept him off the green for months. Raw pain reminded him every day for a year that he couldn't walk without a brace, without a limp. Then suddenly... Totally gone. His pain was gone.
Virtually within 2 days.
Steve was stunned back into the swing of things.
The saphenous nerve, which was giving me so much trouble, completely no pain, and to this day still have no pain.
Who knew that a medical gadget that looks like a flashlight and feels like a tingle would do the trick?
So you're actually healing people with this device.
We'll call it his magic wand.
I would nickname it a magic wand because it really is.
And physical therapist Travis Carlton loves playing fairy godmother.
But there's a confidence level I have with this makes it very fun for me.
It's really called the Microlight 830 laser, a cold laser, uses no heat to dig 5 centimeters under the skin, where the laser's light energy stimulates the cells and triggers a chain of chemical reactions. And here's the unique part. It actually speeds up the repair process.
It's the most effective modality I've ever seen for treating pain.
Carlton is so confident it eases the pain, he's naming his practice in honor of it and says patients are filling up his appointment books.
I've taken people out of 40 years of knee arthritis pain in like 8 treatments, and it's done.
Done. Repaired. The pain gone in a matter of treatments. Skeptical? So are we.
Lift up as high as you can.
So is Joe. Pain is always there. It prevents him from lifting his arm above his head. 2 years after surgery on a torn-up shoulder, doctors told him to deal with it. This laser is a last resort.
The nerves are really sensitive. You might feel a little bit of vibration.
The ML830 was originally designed to ease the pain of carpal tunnel, a pain in the wrist. But since FDA approval in 2002, it's been used to cure all kinds of pain.
If somebody comes in with Bell's palsy, a facial droop, they're starting to use it now on tinnitus, which is ringing in the ears. I use it on TMJ.
Nerves, swelling, burns, fractures, arthritis.
It's the tip of the iceberg, and we're finding out so much more on how this thing works.
Apparently, the first treatment worked on Joe.
My shoulder's not pounding. So, yeah.
We'll see, huh?
We'll see, yeah, how long it lasts. That's what it's about.
Is the relief like a marathon? Or a sprint? Damien Greer needs something for the long run.
Maybe 3rd drill. It felt like somebody kicked me. like a donkey kicked me.
This defensive lineman, home from the European League, is now hoping to play with an arena football team called the Blaze. But in the middle of invite-only tryouts, he pulled his calf muscle.
The first couple of treatments, after I got up, I could walk normally. Walking, yeah. Gingerly, but I was walking though, because before I was hopping.
A week after the laser treatment, he was sprinting. The pain gone now for over a month.
I'm not used to seeing results so fast.
Saber Gertz, Fox 10 News.
Before the laser was approved by the FDA, it was put to the test. 70% of the patients with pain in their wrists say it went away. Because damage is actually being repaired, the pain should be gone permanently.
Whatever works.